Hey?
You sent me a message?
Yeah, might have done, yeah. How's he going?
Right.
Been out for a little run?
Yeah, you want to ride?
Yeah, why not? Come on.
You can get in there.
I'll get in there. Oh my God, Jesus. Hold on, let's lock this. I don't want to fall out. Oh my God. Bloody hell, this is what motoring's really all about.
I need to jump in the shower.
Yeah, it's alright, I'm alright, I'm not in a rush.
No, I went down to see my mate Brian, who's been doing his fence on the side of his house.
Yeah.
But he must have fucked off for the weekend.
Oh.
But I took it out of the shed, I come down here and ran out of paint. Sold the 20 grand Ranger today.
Oh, you did? Oh, great.
Yeah.
Oh my God for that. You're right this side. Yeah, you're not now. I love this.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't that brilliant, eh? Look at this. Great.
There's only 3 gears.
Yeah, I can see that. You got a double
No
clutch.
Yeah, no
Yeah, no, that's what I thought, yeah.
Like a motorbike gearbox.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. It's great, isn't it? How lovely is that?
You can't be in a hurry.
No, no, no. Weather's changing already.
Yeah, I noticed that.
They said it's going to change tomorrow.
It's going to be raining tomorrow.
Yeah, when Sandra comes down. I think it follows her down here. Of course, if she stayed here, she wouldn't have that problem. That'll be the day.
Go around the block.
Yeah, I was in there yesterday spending a load of money on.
That's the oil pressure gauge.
How the hell does that work then? Pops out, does it?
Yeah, it comes out. When you stop running its clutch,
Yeah, that's what I thought, yeah. Blimey,
you don't want to see it coming out too far. Too much oil pressure on these is not a good sign.
No, I'm sure.
There's a jet feed to the crank. So if you've got a lot of pressure, it means the jet's blocked.
Oh, right, okay.
He's chasing me, isn't he?
He is, isn't he? Okay. Yeah, they're quite nice sort of houses. Well, I bet it struggles getting up here, doesn't it? Was it 1,800 cc?
Oh, 750.
Oh, okay. Twin or 3-cylinder? Or 4? It is 4.
Oh, 7 years.
Old 7.
Yeah.
Same as my Twizy.
Yeah.
My Renault Twizy was 7. Well, still coming out of school, aren't they?
Yeah,
Oh, that's college.
that's the older one.
Yeah.
My granddaughter goes
Yeah.
there.
So you're going to the BMX then? Try to turn it off.
Yeah, so there's a little four cylinder, look.
Yeah.
Basic, there's magneto. That's magneto. Dynamo. That's a regulator.
Absolute gem.
Hoover.
Yeah. I know. It's great, isn't it?
£100.
Oh, petrol tank.
Petrol tanks there. Right, I'll go and run in the shower now.
Yeah, I'll see you in about whenever you're ready.
Push the door over.
Yeah.